Imagine having just boarded an airplane when the captain comes over the loudspeaker and announces that you have a 78% chance of reaching your destination today. Would you stay on that plane? Imagine being a client and having your advisor tell you in retirement that you have a 78% chance of avoiding bankruptcy. Why would you choose that advisor as your retirement pilot? There is a better way. Presenting FinovateFall, a B2B SaaS solution built on an innovative strategy called time segmentation. FinovateFall allows advisors to create customized written plans that give their clients the confidence they need to retire and the certainty that they won't run out of money in retirement. The software is so easy to use that it requires almost no training, and advisors can get up and running plans as soon as they get their logins. FinovateFall's integrations and analytics provide huge efficiencies, and compliance is built into each step of the process. What does that mean for your firm? You can bring in more clients, more assets very quickly, and retain those assets without adding to staff or risking costly litigation. So let's walk through an actual client experience. Tom and Sandy are hoping to retire in a couple of years, and they're out shopping for an advisor to help them. They come into my office for a quick intro meeting and tell me that they've saved $975,000 to date towards retirement. I can quickly run them a plan using their current savings just to illustrate how the strategy works. It only takes a couple of minutes. This plan shows them that they can get $2 million of inflation-adjusted income over 30 years. Tom and Sandy love the strategy. They provide additional information to me, and right there in the conference room, I'm able to run them an updated plan. This plan is customized to their annual expense needs and pulls in their other sources of income as well. They've told me they don't qualify for long-term care insurance, so I'm able to put aside some money for those costs later in retirement. And at the end of 30 years, they'll end up with $3.6 million, either to pass on to their kids or to continue their income should one or both of them still be alive. Tom and Sandy sign off on the plan, and now it appears in the next area of FinovateFall called Invest, where I can easily link in the underlying accounts for daily valuation and aggregation. Now, FinovateFall allows me to use whatever products I choose, and the accounts can be located anywhere. I have access to direct and open architecture integration options, which allow me to pull in assets I may not even manage yet. Funding the segments is extremely easy. I can fund with one or more accounts. I can fund using an entire account or individual securities within that account. Some of our integration partners, like Orion and E-Trade, make it extremely easy to use one custodial account to fund multiple segments. Now, over the next couple of years, until Tom and Sandy retire, I can very easily monitor their accounts to make sure their plan is on track. Once a client starts taking income from their plan, FinovateFall makes it very easy for me to manage that plan. Let's look at another couple of clients, Jim and Janice. They've been retired for 12 years now. When I go into their plan, I can see a concise dashboard that shows me how each segment in their plan is performing, as well as where they are on their retirement time horizon. I can go deeper into each segment and get some analytics, and there is a lot of information here, but the most important point to pay attention to is that required rate of return. Here, their required rate of return to reach their goal is 1.98% ROR. So I've received an alert via email from FinovateFall telling me that these clients have the opportunity to take risk off the table in this segment. I call up Jim and Janice and tell them the market's been performing really well and we have the opportunity to de-risk. I can move these underlying assets from the market-facing portfolio into a product that will guarantee them the 2% over the remaining years until they need these assets for income, protecting their income from any market downturns, and also giving them more confidence in their retirement income plan. Jim and Janice agree. I document that decision and download the client review for their sign-off. Now, Income Conductor reports are very client-friendly. They're short. They're written in 8th grade reading language, which makes it very nice for people, especially as they're aging, to understand the progress of their report. And I'm able to make point-in-time changes throughout retirement to their plan without having to go back and create a whole new plan. Now, our founders have over 60 years of collective experience in retirement income, asset management, and technology innovation. We know that it takes a lot more than technology to make someone successful. So we provide our advisors training and research on the strategy, FINRA-reviewed sales and marketing materials that can be branded to the advisor's firm, one-on-one case meetings with retirement experts, and historical analytics that help advisors identify reasonable rates of return and portfolio allocations using actual market data. Our advisors have been extremely successful with Income Conductor, and their clients couldn't be happier with their income plans. At the end of the day, we deliver peace of mind, and that's priceless. Please come visit our booth in the exhibit area where we can share more information on how we can help you grow your retirement income business. Thank you.